Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. So today lecture is all about sorting algorithm again. So in the previous lecture we have learned the bubble sort. In this lecture we're gonna learn about the selection sort. The selection sort also have the similar time complexity like the bubble sort, the n square in the best and the worst scenario as well. So let me show you the visual representation how the selection sort works. So we made a random array and apply the selection sort algorithm on this. So what the selection sort does, it just select one particular element from the array, minimum element. Then check with the whole array, is there any element which is less than this element? If there is, then it just swap it with that element. Then in the end of the every iteration, it swap that particular value to the first value of the array. So in this way, the whole array just got swapped by it. You can see that it just select 36 right now. Now it just select 27. Then after the complete iteration, it just swap 27 with with its original index where 27 it belongs. So that's how the whole array gets sorted in the selection sort. Now let's code this particular selection sort. What we need to do, we need to make a function void selection sort in which we can just pass array with size integer n. Okay, now we need to make a minimum element which we just assign it to 0 right now. We need to make a loop, for loop I equals 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus n is our size over here. For integer j equal I plus 1, j less than n, and j plus plus. Okay, that's our two loops. We need to assign minimum equal to the I over here after the first index. Now what we have to make an if condition if array of minimum is greater than array of j, then minimum equal to the j. Okay, in that we need to make the code of swapping as well, what you have seen over there, that it selects the value, then it compares with the array. If there is any smaller value than that, then the minimum shift to that particular smaller value till the whole array has been checked. After the whole iteration, whole array has been checked in one iteration, then in the end it swaps that particular value to the first index as well. So that's what we need to do over here. We need to make an integer called integer temp, which will be equals to array of m, array of m, and array of which will be equal to array of 5. So we need to uh, swap with the value of I. It will be equal to array of m, then array of m will be equal to the temp. That's our swapping code in that for loop. What we need to do, we need to check, we need to go to the main function and create a particular array, integer array, let's say 5 equal 1, 9, minus 5, 6, and 3. That's our array. Selection sort, and which we need to pass this array with the size 5. Okay, we also need to print this array over here so you can see what is the outcome after the selection sort. For loop int I equals 0, I less than 1 plus count array of 5. Okay, that's the code. Let's run it. Okay, wait. We just have to change this minimum to m because we have used m, not minimum, in every index. So we just need to do this. I have assigned the minimum value, then I used m, so that's why it happens sometimes. So just need to change this minimum to m. Okay, now run it. All is fine, all it is fine. So our array was 1 9 minus 5 6 3, and now here all the array is in a sorted order. Let me print out first. Cout the array after sorted. Okay. Star. Okay, there is like a buffer in compiler. There is no error. It's just sometimes the buffer happens when you use the online editor. So that's it. -5 1 3 6 9. It is happen after this sort. After we apply this sort on that particular array. So that's it for the today the video. If you have any problem with it, if you have problem with these like swap function, you can make it like this way. Let me make that as well so you don't find it complex. Let's make a swap function in which we will just give integer pointer a, integer pointer b, and what we need to do, we just need to make int temp, which will be equal to pointer a, pointer a, and pointer a will be equal to pointer b, and pointer b will be equal to temp. Okay, you can do like this, and instead of this, we just if we just comment this particular section like this. That's how you comment multiple lines. You just have to call the swap function in which you just need to give the array address of array I and address of array m. And that's it. That will do the work for you guys. If you want to do this, that's the swap function. You will just send the address of here, and then in here you just need to mention the pointer a, so that the values will be changed on the array per index. We don't need to make another variables or which will just swap and will return the value. With this, it will just change the value to the original memory of the array, which of the original memory of the array which is assigned in the memory. Okay, so that's how it changed the values from where it is already been assigned. Let's run it out and check if the values are coming right or not. So yeah, the values are coming the same way. That's the array is in the sorted order right now. I hope you guys like my video. Do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.